What was the biggest mistake you made as a parent? I was raised to believe that a little spanking was harmless. My 4 oldest kids were spanked when they misbehaved. Nothing too severe, and no one would have considered it abuse. Then came my 5th child. Another rule I followed from my parents was that you ate everything served to you. I thought teaching my kids not to be picky eaters was a good thing, and it worked with the first 4. But then came number 5. He was barely 2, still sitting in a high chair and wearing diapers. One night, he refused to eat dinner. I told him he wasn't leaving the chair until he did. After 30 minutes, the food got cold, but he still wouldn't eat. Frustrated, I pulled him out of the chair, spanked him, and put him back. But still nothing. I lost control. I yelled, scaring him to tears, but he still refused. I spanked him harder, and my husband told me to stop, but I was too angry to listen. I stormed off and locked myself in the bedroom. The next morning, when I changed his diaper, I saw the bruises and was horrified. I couldn't believe what I had done. Years later, we discovered he's on the autism spectrum and has sensory issues. He can't handle certain textures or tastes. It's the worst thing I've ever done, and I've never laid a hand on any of my kids since. He's 15 now and doing great.